Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple natural choices that can improve your life. Today's topic is one of the most popular fruits in the world. Apple. Simple, fresh, familiar. Almost everyone has eaten one. But apples offer much more than taste. Let's begin with fiber. Apples contain a good amount of fiber. This supports digestion. Your gut works more smoothly. Another important benefit is satiety. Apples help you feel full longer. This supports weight balance. Then comes your heart. Apples contain beneficial compounds. These support circulation. Your cardiovascular system functions better. Another important area is antioxidants. Apples help protect your cells from internal stress. This supports long-term health. Then comes your brain. Nutrients in apples support mental function. Focus may improve. Another benefit is hydration. Apples contain a high amount of water. Your body feels refreshed. Now let's talk about energy. Apples provide natural sugar. This creates stable energy, without heavy feeling. Another important point is your skin. Antioxidants support healthier appearance. Your skin may look fresher over time. Then comes immunity. Apples contain nutrients that support your defense system. Your body responds better to stress. But here is the truth. Apples are healthy, yet balance still matters. Too much sweet food from any source is not ideal. Fresh apples are better than processed apple snacks. Now here is the key idea. Good health does not always require expensive products. Simple fruits can create powerful results when used consistently, every day. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care.